The complete cryptocurrency market is in a bearish mode right now. But if you are a long-term investor, this is a great time to buy some coins. In this video, we are going to take a look at my top 3 picks for altcoins that we should accumulate for the next bull market. So stay tuned to this video and find out more.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss more about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, head over to Telegram and join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as in the pinned comments. This is completely free of cost. Now, let's jump on to the top 3 altcoins that I am buying currently. The first pick for me is Cardano. Now, if you have been following our channel on Telegram, you would be knowing that we are a very big Cardano bull. We are very bullish about Cardano, and we started buying Cardano right back when it was at about $0.15, right? And from there, Cardano went up to $2.5. We booked some profits, but we are still holding majority of the Cardano because we believe in Cardano to be a great project for the future and could possibly be in the top 3 coins as far as the market cap is concerned. Currently, it's ranked at number 5. So let's take a quick look on the technical analysis for Cardano and see what are the price predictions that we have. So currently we are on the Cardano US dollar weekly chart. Since we will be talking from a long-term perspective, I'll majorly be covering the weekly time frames, and as we can see that we were actually above the 20-week SMA for quite some time, and it is very recently that we have broken below it, and it's actually in this week that we have broken below it, but we still have about 5 days and 8 hours to go for the weekly closure, and possibly if we can see a rise in the complete cryptocurrency market, this could prove to be a wick and we can finish the week on top of the 20-week SMA. If I have to talk about critical levels of support and resistances, then let me pull out the fib retracement, and it's currently on a very critical level of support, which is at about $1.27. So this could prove to be a good level for me personally. If I want to accumulate more and more Cardano, I am probably looking at a price range of somewhere around 80 cents or so. And of course, if this is not a financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions that I am buying Cardano right now at these levels. If you want to buy Cardano, then probably sometime in the future, or if you want to DCA into Cardano, because it is always better to buy at prices below $1 rather than buying up here at $2 and above, right? Because again, if you are buying at these lower levels, you can always DCA, and if it goes further down as well, we can DCA into it as well. If I pull out the other moving averages, we'll be able to see what are the key levels of support going forward. So as I was mentioning, the 50 week is at $0.71 and the 100 week is at about 38 cents, and all of these are rising, right? Because Cardano has given immense returns, right? From about 15 cents back in November to about $2.50 in April. So that's almost about 18 to 20x in about 6 or 7 months of time. So Cardano is definitely my top pick to buy during this market cycle. And if I have to look at the Cardano Bitcoin chart, Cardano is one of those altcoins that has been holding it very strongly against the Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin has fallen more than 50%, but if I have to refer the Cardano against the Bitcoin price, we are currently down by only 22%. Okay, that gives you an idea about the strength that this coin is holding currently. And on the Cardano Bitcoin chart, we are still above the 20-week SMA, which means that we are still in bullish sentiment. So Cardano is my pick number 1. Let's go to the pick number 2. The second altcoin that I want to talk to you about is Chainlink. Chainlink has been in the top 10 for quite some time now, and it's currently ranked at about number 15 with a market cap of about $7.6 billion. It is one of the top leading DeFi tokens that I personally believe in. Let's take a quick look on the Chainlink technical analysis. So currently Chainlink is below the 100-week simple moving average We came below it on the week of 21st of June when we had a great correction in the Bitcoin prices as well. And as far as the support is concerned, we are looking at about $12.2, which is the 200-week simple moving average to hold as support. Remember, if we are below 200-week simple moving average, that could prove to be a great buying opportunity. Again, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am personally looking to accumulate more and more Chainlink at around the prices of $12 or so. So this is something that we should definitely keep in mind. One of the key reasons why I personally like Chainlink very much is because of the wonderful market structure that it has been following, right? As we can see, right from April 2020, we went above the 20-week simple moving average. We tested it regularly and we stayed above it till the week of 17th of May, wherein we came down to the 50-week. We treated it as a support for a few weeks, then we finally broke down. So personally speaking, I am looking at Chainlink at about $12 or so, and probably then we might be looking at accumulating more Chainlink. Definitely this is a long-term holding as far as I am concerned. So on the Chainlink BTC chart, what we can see is we are currently below the 100-week, and if we pull out the Bollinger Bands, we'll be able to see what could be a good price target. So as far as the Bollinger Band is concerned, anything at about 37,750 would be a good buying opportunity. Mind you, these are in Satoshis, so 37,749 Satoshis is something that I'm looking at to accumulate more Chainlink in regards to Bitcoin. So this is a great support for Chainlink in the long run, if I have to speak about it. In the short term, we are looking at about $12. That could give us a good buying entry as well. Now, the third coin that we have could be a surprise for a few, because in the past in our videos we have spoken in length about Chainlink and about Cardano, but the third coin that I have chosen today, we haven't covered it in many of our videos. So the third coin for us today is the
FTX or the FTT token. It is
token for the FTX exchange, and it's currently at a market cap of about 2.6 billion and is ranked number 40 as far as the market cap is concerned. FTX is currently the third largest centralized exchanges going around, so it has all the potential to be in top 2 with Binance, and maybe it can pass Coinbase as well, because the volume is rising for FTX on a day-to-day basis and the customer support is actually very amazing. And with all the bad news that is coming in for Binance across Europe, across UK, across Canada, FTX exchange is getting a lot of attention, and this is why I believe this should be in our portfolio for the mid to long run. If I quickly talk about the technicals, then the FTT token is currently trading at a price of about $30, and if I pull out the moving averages, we can see that we are just below the 200-day simple moving average. 200-day simple moving average is at 31, and we are treating the 50-day as a support. The 50-day is below the 200 days, so that is a death cross for the FTT token here. If we go to the weekly chart, we are above the 50-week simple moving average. The 50-week is at about $20, and that could prove to be a good support. If we go below that, then the 100-week, which is at about $11, could prove to be a good buying area. If I have to pull out the Bollinger Bands, then of course the region at about $17 or $18 could prove to be a good area of support as well. So on the FTT BTC price, what we can see currently is we are above the 20-week SMA, which is a bullish indicator. The 20-week is at about 8,100 Satoshis. We are currently at 9,100 Satoshis. So this is a bullish indication for FTT as well. So these are my top 3 picks for altcoins that I'm looking to accumulate in this bear market that we are in currently. For the long run, these would definitely give us a lot of benefit according to me. Again, none of this is financial advice. You need to do your own research before investing, and if you want to know how to do your own research, we have made a video on it. You can click the icon above my head, as well as you can click the descriptions below and find the video on how to do your own research. So these are the 3 coins that I am looking for. Do let me know what are some of the altcoins you are looking to accumulate in the long run. Of course, Ethereum is always there, but I haven't included Ethereum here because Ethereum is something that I am not looking to accumulate at least for the next 3 months or so. Towards the fourth quarter of this year, I will start accumulating Ethereum. That's pretty much it about this video. If you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share this video with your friends and family. Give them the opportunity to learn about cryptocurrencies and change their life for good. Also, take very good care of yourself. Stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.